So my name is Hassan, I'm the local guide. Very nice to meet you. This is Papyrus Museum. The place is operated by the Ministry of Tourism. Here we explain how the ancient Egyptians made this paper from this plant. We call it papyrus. To make paper from the plant, we cut the stem of the plant like this, according to the size required, a medium, a large, or a small size. Then we remove the skin. We remove the skin of the plant. The skin is very tough. So they use it to make baskets, sandals, robes, mats, hats. A lot of items made out of this because this is durable, very strong. Looks like bamboo. We make the paper from the white. We cut it into very thin strips, like this. This is very easy to tear it. So we have to hammer it using the hammer, make it flexible. Contains some sugar like sugar cane, using the rolling pin. So it becomes very soft, very flexible. So this is the unit of the paper. Then we keep it in water 5 days to reduce the sugar amount. 2 pieces of carpets. Then we collect all the fibers together into 2 directions, horizontal and vertical. Press, press. 2 layers all together. Edge is touching, no space, till we get the size required. We cover everything and we keep everything under the compression 5 days. Stick together and we get the first paper in the history. So this is the first paper ever invented. Then we can use any kind of ink. Also color, even the printer we can use. This is something genuine. The same one made by the pharaoh, but new. Same chemical and physical characteristics. Nowadays, you meet many guys on the side of the pyramid try to sell the tourists something similar, but not real. It's fake, made out of banana leaves, sugar cane, bamboo. How we can recognize the difference, this is real or fake? When I put the paper under the light, I can see the 2 layers, crisscross 2 layers.
Yeah.
The fake one, just 1 layer, 1 direction. Put the banana stem, is very big, just 1 piece. This one has brown spoots, called fibers. These fibers absorb the color, so color never fade. Banana printed colors stay a few weeks, then start to move away. This one can be rolled up, doesn't crack, strong. The banana one, if you roll it up, damaged, broken. So this is something genuine. So we give guarantee certificate for this.